Aloha mai kākou, o wau o kui o ka ʻōlelo noʻeau no keia pule o e hoi o he aliʻi ka ʻāina he kauwa ke kanaka. Aloha mai folks, this week's proverb or ʻōlelo noʻeau is he aliʻi ka ʻāina he kauwa ke kanaka. And what that means is the land is a chief and man is its servant. According to Hawaiian historian Mary Kawena Pukui, land has no need for man, but man needs the land to work it for its livelihood. Yeah. So to Hawaiians, land provides everything needed for man to survive. It has a responsibility to care for the land so that it continues to provide for those necessary resources for food, water, and shelter. Everything we need, the land provides. If we neglect the ʻāina, the land, then the ʻāina will neglect us. If we don't take care of the land won't take care of us. So once again, he aliʻi ka ʻāina, he kauwa ke kanaka. Mai kai. Aloha.